What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be working on the interior of my 335i. Back when I purchased the car, this is something that I should have done almost nearly a year ago at this point, but today we're actually going to be cleaning up the leather and reconditioning it. So I wouldn't say that the interior is in terrible shape. My cleanings so far on the interior have consisted of basic wipe downs, getting dust off, maybe using some interior cleaner, and vacuuming the carpets. But other than that, I have not touched the leather since I've owned this car. So there is actually quite a bit of dirt and grime from the previous owner. It's kind of hard to tell maybe on camera, but if you look closely, you can actually see like little jean marks, you know, the transfer of blue dye from the jeans onto the seats. And there's just little dirt areas that need to be taken care of. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that up in today's video. So here's little areas that I'm kind of referring to. You can see kind of these little dirty areas here. And then here on the seat, the main part of the seat, you can kind of tell that there's some, you know, dye transfer from jeans getting in and out of the car. You can kind of see some of that here. And additionally, the headrests are kind of gross and greasy. So we're basically gonna go ahead and transform this interior and make it all look new again, hopefully. This is a daily driven car, and it is important to keep your leather in good condition. That way you don't have any cracking or things like that. This is exposed to a lot of weather, out in the sun and out in the cold a lot. So you wanna make sure that your leather is soft. That way you prevent from any cracking in the future. In addition, we're also gonna be cleaning up the door cards. You can kind of see some filth here, a little bit of brown, black dirt, probably from someone's arm, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of that as well. I am going to try to clean up the steering wheel here as well. That was probably one of the dirtiest things when I actually purchased the car, so it was really grimy and greasy and really needed a lot of attention. So basically this was the first thing I did when I got the car back, was like clean this up. I just used some basic interior cleaner, wiped it all down, tried to get off some of the filth as best as possible, but it does need a little recondition. It isn't in the best shape. If you look closely, like, you know, there's little nail marks, or I don't know what these are, but it's in okay condition, I guess, but hopefully we can try to make this a little bit nicer than it currently is, and we should be good to go. All right, so these are the products that we're gonna be using in my interior today. Huge shout out to my buddy Brandon for recommending this. This is Lexol. He's been using this product for a really long time and he really likes it, so I figured I'd give it a shot. I purchased this kit on Amazon. It came with some leather deep cleaner as well as some deep conditioner, and it also actually came with these two microfiber applicator pads. I did purchase this color lock brush from Obsessed Garage. I'm actually going to use this to help agitate with the cleaner, and then in addition we do have a couple Rag Company microfiber towels on hand. The process is pretty simple with this kit. There's only two steps basically. So I've already went ahead and vacuumed all the carpets, vacuumed the seats out, made sure there weren't any crumbs or dust or anything like that. Then I took a dry microfiber towel and kind of wiped the seats down real quickly. Next, what we're going to do is use this deep cleaner here. We're going to spray some of this onto this microfiber applicator pad, and then we're going to wipe it down real quickly, and then we're going to go ahead and use this color lock brush to kind of agitate the cleaner into the leather. After that, we're going to go back with a damp microfiber towel and wipe the seats down, and then we're going to take a dry microfiber towel and kind of dry it all up. After everything's dry, we're gonna go back and recondition the leather using this leather deep conditioner here, as well as this other microfiber applicator pad. With the conditioner, we're gonna go ahead and apply this with the microfiber pad here, and we're gonna let it sit there for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna wipe it dry with a microfiber towel. So that's the whole process. Should be quick and easy and simple to do. I'm gonna go ahead and start here on the passenger seat first, so you can kind of see how dirty these are here, and the little crevices there. And again, there's like jean marks kind of all over it, so it's definitely in need of some work. And then obviously the headrest definitely needs some work as well. Okay, go ahead and shake up your cleaner first. Get it all nice and mixed. And then we're gonna apply some here onto the applicator pad. Alright, so we've got the one seat cleaned up. This is a good indication of how dirty it was. Clean, not clean. Pretty gross. Alright, now we're coming back with a damp microfiber towel. I'll wipe this all down and then hit it again with a dry one. Make sure it's all dry. while this is going on and drying up, I'm gonna go ahead and probably do another seat, and I'll come back to you and we'll go ahead and condition this one. All right, pretty much did all of the seats, everything's all dry, did the door panels, even touched the steering wheel a little bit, so I think we're pretty good now. So now it's time for us to use the conditioner here. We're gonna use this pretty liberally, and we're gonna use this other microfiber pad. I've got a little cutout here for your hand. Basically, gonna squirt a bunch on here, and then massage it into the leather, and then we're gonna come back with another microfiber towel and wipe off any excess, and then kind of buff it at the end. We should be good. As you can see, it's much cleaner than it was. All this dirt's gone. For the most part, looks pretty good. So, new applicator, shake, shake, shake. Okay, so I went ahead and conditioned all of the leather everywhere, even the door cards. I even did the steering wheel there. It kind of goes on as a glossy finish, but it kind of dries in more of a matte satin finish. Also, you're probably going to get a little bit of excess conditioner on your plastics, so I've got my microfiber towel here, dry. We're going to go ahead and buff off any excess. We kind of want to level everything out and also wipe off the plastics. And just like that, we're done. Not too complicated, not too many steps, very simple, easy to use, and it looks great. So again, this kind of has more of a matte finish, and what I really like about this product is the fact that it's not greasy, because sometimes you get some conditioners that are greasy and they kind of leave the leather kind of sticky-ish and greasy feeling, and I don't really like that. This is a nice, soft, nice matte finish. Doesn't feel greasy anything at all. Looks really good. Alright guys, just like that, we're finished. Quick and easy, not rocket science. Pretty much anyone can do it. So again, very simple process, just the 2 steps. You just want to make sure that you do a nice deep clean first, and then go ahead and condition. And arguably, the conditioning is more important. That's how you're really going to save your leather for the long term. So if you guys have any comments or questions or concerns, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.